Michael has a craving lemon sour cream pie. So let's get started. I have here on the stove, I do not have my burner turned on yet. I'm going to add 3½ tablespoonfuls of cornstarch. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. And I'm going to stir that in. That just helps to keep your cornstarch from lumping when you begin adding your liquid ingredient. Okay, doesn't have to be just really, but enough to where that it's mixed in your sugar. To that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of lemon juice. And this is fresh squeezed lemon juice because I needed a tablespoonful of the lemon zest. Now on the lemon zest, anytime I squeeze lemons, I zest that lemon whether I need the zest or not. And then I dry it and put it in the freezer. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and 3 egg yolks. This pie is so simple. Kind of stir them up. And now we're going to turn on the heat. And I'm going to turn it on medium. And for me, a medium is number 5 because I have electric stove. If you have gas, much easier to regulate. And I'm just going to cook and stir until this becomes thickened. Okay, you can see that that's beginning to really thicken up. Once it gets there to that thickening age, it goes really fast. Before that, it's a little slow. I'm going to set that off the heat here. I have here 4 tablespoonfuls of butter, or half a stick. And I'm just going to put that butter in there. That butter just smooths this down and will make it really smooth and good. And cutting it up helps it to melt in there faster. Turn that stove off. I don't need it. And then I'm going to just stir that in until all of the butter is melted. Then we're going to set it aside and let it cool completely. Okay, our lemon curd has cooled. And I'm now going to add 1 cup of sour cream. I bet you knew it had to take sour cream for it to be a sour cream lemon pie. That kind of give it away, didn't it? And we're going to mix that in really good. Okay, I've mixed that in there really well. Now I want you to know that the sour cream does not give it a twang. This just tastes like a really good lemon pie. I'm putting that into a graham cracker crust that I bought at the store. And to make it look just a little better, I just take those little foil pans. So I just set pan and all down into one of my pie plates. Gonna smooth that out a little bit. And then I'm going to put on a whole, this is an 8 ounce of the extra creamy Cool Whip on top. Just put it sort of in the middle and work out. There we go. Good old lemon sour cream pie.